If you're tired of being hot and miserable when you go out to do something fun, this Garvee shade tent might be the answer. Garvee sent this to me to check out, but all opinions are my own. I'm going to show you how to set it up and we'll go from there. First off, the instructions say it requires 2 people for setup. I have set it up by myself before, but it takes a lot longer and you can damage the poles, so it's not recommended. With 2 people, it was completely set up in less than 5 minutes and it was very easy. We just throw the canopy over the top, pull the corners out, lift up the legs, and snap them into place. The frame feels sturdy, and the 3 adjustable height settings make it easy to get just the right coverage. It also comes with 4 sandbags you can fill for extra stability or several cords and stakes for when it's really windy. The fabric on top is waterproof, and the seams hold up to water as well. It folds down into a compact carrying bag that even I can manage. I've used shade tents for camping, backyard birthday parties, and endless summer swim meets, and this one feels more spacious and nicer quality than most. My only complaint is that many include Velcro on the outside of the poles and the inside of the canopy, so it can grip and stay in place. This one doesn't have that, so the canopy can ride up a little. But overall, I think it's a great product, and it will definitely make it easier for you to enjoy being outside. Check the description for links to this product. If you use them, I earn a small commission. Thanks for your support, and hit that like and subscribe for more.